discussing last 3 years, and going in details and much more in this thing. Today we'll be discussing. In fact, I want to start a new topic, but many new faces are there, so it becomes difficult to start a new topic and to, I don't know then where to end and how to end. Anyhow, we'll start. See, today's title is Drugless Path to Good Health. Now, what do we mean by word good health? Number one. Question number two, since we are school teachers, so I've been guided by that you should ask the question. Right, so here is question number one. And since he has asked me to give you some homework, so I'll be giving you some homework also. Right, now what is the meaning of good health? How do we understand that our health is good? Question number two, that what do you mean by the word drugless path? See, drugless path. Now see, my friend, let me tell you very carefully that allopathic is a medicine, it's a drug. So you have drug inspector, right? But except allopathic, nothing is drug. These are all remedies, like sour remedy, homeopathic medicine. It's not a drug, right? Then acupuncture, acupressure, these all work on energy level. Now what is energy? This energy is known as a bio-cosmic electrical magnetical waves. Now this we have experienced. How many of you get a hurt here in this area, right? And you feel electrical shock. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मार लगता है तो ठीक है, और यहाँ पे मार लगा तो right, you feel like electrical current. Friend, before I go further, I'll tell you a day before yesterday night I got a call from my friend. He's in Wada. He's a farmer, and if one of the servants, due to some reason, he was going to coma. He became unconscious. Night around 10:30 phoned me. What should I do now? Because now at that time in village it is difficult to go to any medical practitioner. And then I told him that you give rescue remedy, but which he is not having. And simply by massaging this area, the lady came back into conscious. So please remember, this area is very important, right? You have to press this area when you feel that you are fatigued. You feel when you are tired, when you feel your energy level is low, or if you are a student appearing for exam and suddenly your paper is very tough, or you become a blank, right? You have become a blank, then this area will help you to revive, to come into back to consciousness. This is my day before yesterday experience, so I thought let me share it with you. Very helpful area. Now during the by pressure, how to give, what way to give, we'll be discussing it. Now I'm sure that you won't mind whatever thought in my mind come, I'll put it before you, right? Maybe remedy, maybe approach, whatever is there. Okay. Now second thing, that drugless path means where medicine is not involved. Okay. So that is acceptable to us. Okay. And now what is the meaning of good health? Good health means there must be a harmony between body and mind, right? If body says something and mind says something, there is a disharmony. And disharmony is the door from where most of the disease enter in the body. Now what is the meaning of disharmony? Where we have a disharmony? Then according to Dr. Edward Bach, there are 7 disharmony. Number 1 is anger, right? How many of you know ATM? ATM नाम सुना है? Have you ever used ATM? बैंक का ATM सुना है कभी? कभी यूज किया है? किया है ना? What is title ATM says you? Anytime money, right? So our anger is also ATM. Anytime anger available, free of charge. चाहिए उतना किलो के हिसाब से, right? So anger is our good friend, and most of the damage to our body is because of anger. Second is impatientness, right? Now for example, today our time was 3:30, right? And we started 3:45, right? How have you started thinking? My 20 रुपया टैक्सी का खर्च किया, in this product not yet come, right? That is impatientness. And some people they walk, right? They are restless, and all these things change the body chemical. Then we have a anxiety, right? Then jealousy, hatred. All those things they change your body chemical. Now how they change the body chemical? Now since we have a chemical person here, now let us talk about body chemical. Well, now what is body chemical? It is alkaline and acidic. When it is more alkaline, it's good, but more acidic, then you get swelling, you get pain, right? You get numbness and all those things, because acidic is a toxin, more toxin in the body, right? Will create a disharmony between body and mind. And then again, we have to lie down or we have to take rest and whatever is there. So please remember that we need more alkaline and not more acidic. Now what are the simple techniques? or making automatically our body chemical into alkaline. Sit quietly, take deep breath through your diaphragm, right? Close your eyes and relax, or do Shavasana. Now every day, 5 minutes Shavasana will help you to prevent bypass surgery. So every day, Shavasana. Lie down, keep your hand and feet open and breathe in and breathe out rhythmically. At the count of 3, you breathe in, 5, 6, you breathe out. And when you breathe in and you breathe out, keep your both the hands, one on the chest, one on the tummy, and see both are moving. Because usually we don't breathe through our chest, and then all problems start. Or if you have a telephone directory, Mahanagar Telephone Corruption Limited, if your directory, then those 2 directories, if you read it, if you open to see the number, then I'm sure that you have to go to ophthalmic surgeon. It's so beautifully printed, right? Then the best use of that directory, lie down, keep one on the chest and one on the abdomen and breathe out. If both are moving together, then your breathing is okay. Or you just lie down and see in the mirror that your chest and abdomen both are moving together, then your breathing is right. Now that breathing will also help you to make your chemical more into alkaline from acidic. Okay. Then another thing that you should take water. Now people, they always tell that मैं 5 glass 10 glass पानी पीता हूँ. I do water therapy. It's really good. But before that you have to be very careful that your body has no problem of water retention. If your body has a problem of water retention, then this therapy is not good for you. If you do this therapy, then you will be sick, you will have to admit in ICU. So water therapy is good, but before that you should know that your water retention in the body is not troubling you. थोड़ा भी swelling आता है, you do develop swelling, right? And it tells you become puffy. Now, okay, my friend, there is a misconception going on. More water you drink, right? Then you have to go for a urination, right? And if you don't go for urination, that the water is retained in the body doesn't come out because kidney has to do overtime. Second thing, that when you drink more water, then it is better that you have to walk more and get a lot of perspiration. That way also you can cleanse your body. Now alkaline acidic is a cleansing of the body. Now what we do, we have understood the technique half. कि पानी पीना है, 10 glass पानी पीला, but we don't walk. So water doesn't go out, it retains, and then you get puffiness, swelling, then पेट फूलने लगता है, पानी भरता है चेक में वगैरह, and then again the therapy becomes wrong. But therapy is not wrong, only understanding is wrong. So kindly, whatever you do, use your vivek buddhi and do it. ठीक है? Then every therapy is good. यहाँ तक की बात क्लियर हो गई? Any question? When there is no question, everybody is sleeping, या तो ऊपर से जा रहा है. I'll give you. Okay. Now, see, in our body we have energy, which energy known as bioelectrical magnetical waves, right? This energy is going up and down, up and down. How it is going, that you understand thoroughly well. See, energy entering from here, right? From right side, coming out, come out from the big toe and come up on the big toe from this side. So this is known as a positive, this is known as a negative. Reverse on the back, right? Unless you understand this, we cannot proceed further. Is it clear? The energy, we have two energy. One is positive, one is negative. Positive is father, negative is mother, right? Right side is positive, left side is negative. Reverse on the back. Okay. So body is divided in 8 different aspects, 8 different ways. Now see, right and left, upper and lower. Upper part is father, facing the sun. Lower part is mother, touching the mother earth. Back side facing the sun, that is father. Front side is mother. Now keep your finger like this and see the change the color. Can you change the color? This is light, this is darker. Right? So dark side is father, this side is mother. Okay. Now from here you can make half, here, anyway. Now simple power point or pressure pointing technique. Point number 1, remember, if there is a pain on a minimal area, pain in a localized area, or pain just started. Just started means your problem is at body level, not mind level and subtle level. Now let us understand what is body level, mind level and subtle level. Body level means the problem just started. You come and sit on the chair and say, pain. That is at body level. But your problem is not started today, it started last week or 15 days prior or maybe last month. That is at mind level. Right? Now, for example, you are going somewhere and you got hurt. And at that moment there was no pain. But now that pain has come now. So that is at mind level. But the patient comes and tells you that I have got a diabetes. The diabetes doesn't start immediately. It is a long process to start. So that is at